So hi, hello and welcome again. Microbehunter here. I'm Oliver, and this here is the larva of a so-called carpet beetle. I found it by chance today crawling on the wall of my apartment. Yes, I would like to show you today how to make a permanently mounted slide of the hair of this carpet beetle without actually hurting the carpet beetle itself. There is a little bit of a backstory to the whole thing, and that is that many years ago I put some dust sample from my apartment under the microscope, and I've seen those strange-looking structures, so strange-looking hair. Had absolutely no idea what they could be, and then I took the picture and I posted it in a German microscopy forum, and very quickly I got a response. And somebody told me, yeah, these are actually the setae, the hair, setae are the hair of this carpet beetle, the larva of the carpet beetle. Yeah, and I was quite happy to have found an answer to this. But today, this is the first time that I'm actually able to show you a live carpet beetle first under the microscope here, stereo microscope here. But then, of course, I'm also going to show you how to prepare those hair. Now, back when I've first seen those hair, I've also even made a drawing of them simply to document that, but at that time I had no idea what it is. Essentially those hair, they seem to come off quite easily because I kept on repeatedly seeing them in dust samples. Again, I've not found in live larva yet. One of the funny things about this one is if you actually touch the hair with a toothpick, like I'm doing right now, then you see how they actually, how it responds. The hairs start to fan out and raise a little bit. So I do suppose that this is some kind of a defense mechanism that we've got here. Now, in order to actually get the hair on a microscope slide, I decided to take a toothpick and dip it a little bit in some of the mounting medium. I'm using U-Pearl mounting medium, which is the standard mounting medium for insects. For entomologists, those insects researchers, they like to use this mounting medium, and this makes the tip sticky. And then by touching those hair at the back, then some of those hair actually come off and will stick to the mounting medium on the toothpick. And then it's of course possible to easily transfer them into a drop of mounting medium on the microscope slide. Cover glass goes on top, and then we can actually look at it. Yeah, I've seen at the beginning that there were still a couple of small tiny air bubbles, and they luckily disappeared a little bit with time. Yeah, so this is a little bit something that I wanted to show you, and I think it's actually quite nice. To have found those tiny little hair again, directly on a live specimen that we have over here. I think I just want to say bye-bye now. I hope that you found the video interesting and informative, and happy microbe hunting as always, and hope to see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.